Oopsie daisy. Oopsie. How about to go in? Oh, she might be over there. Right, this is the middle of summer. A beautiful little spot, but not for riding apparently. If you get into Ed's wheel tracks, I reckon. Hey. Oh, you want to go forward? Yeah. Pick the front up and drag it? That, no. Yeah, but then Chubbs, we've got to get you and I through the same bog hole. Just go backwards into the creek. Huh? Nah. Oh. Yeah. Alrighty. Ready? Go! What are we doing with the back? Do you want me to hop it around this way? Aren't we having... We are having fun in the mud here, aren't we? Yeah. Go that way a bit. Keep her on the hard pack here if you can. Oh, I'm stuck, hang on. Oh. Ready, go! Oh. Fitness. Don't have any. Need some. That's such a shit bog pit though. Yeah, but we could also just ride back up the hill. Correct. But if we go that way, we have to push $2 up. If we go that way, we have to push $3 up. Committing to it if you get halfway up. Doing it, he's doing it, he's not. No, he's not doing it. Chops! Oh well, good thing Chops was there. Typically when you stand at the top, you try and grab him. When you stand at the top, you normally try and grab him. Will you need to push? It'll be right. My turn. This is boggy shit. Oh. Smells a bit like shit. completely fucking useless. Should have washed them in the creek. Out. Tyres will be full of mud. How are your brakes? Mine aren't great. Oh, I turned my fuel off. What's the matter, Chas? Righto, so sit rep. Last time I had the camera on, old Chops was sitting right there. The bike did not want to go. It just kind of choked itself out as if he'd left the fuel tap off. And that reminded me to turn my fuel tap back on. I was lucky to get this far. But nonetheless, we couldn't get it going. I say we, pretty gently, I didn't do much. But these boys couldn't get it going. I rode up there. And he's nothing but uphill for days. But another group of riders have just come through this way. And they said the best way to get back to the road is back that way, which is where that river crossing was. So we're going to go back and do it the other way, the opposite direction basically. And we seem to be married to that river crossing. Can't wear my goggles because they're filthy, so they're just on the back of my helmet. But yeah, I went for a scouting run. The boys reckon back up the way we came is the quickest way back to the road. And Edward, young Chops, is pushing to get there. So he's going to be chomping for a beer here soon. But in the meantime, oh, Chop's going straight down the bog hole. So we're going to get muddy again. Nice to go down the steep way, I think. I'm going to have to lean my bike against. That'll stay against the tree, not fall over and break anything. Oh. Ready? And go. Ready? Go. And go. That water has gotten deeper. Left side, you reckon? I walked up the left side and she was pretty slick. What do you got? Oh, your beauty, part of a keyboard. Part of a calculator or something. How's this weather? Absolutely magnificent, is how it is.
Yeah, what do I do? Get this up there first, and then I can help pull you blokes up? Yep.
Yep. That is, have you walked up that yet? But it is so slick, man. Yep.
At least if we get a little bit of the way up, maybe.
Yep. Yeah. Shit. Yep. Get up. Hey, you're laughing now. You got to push a motorbike up that, chops. You need to walk up that side because you ain't getting up there.
Feel the rhythm, feel the rhythm.
Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhyme.
Shit.
Pull my front brake on. Pull my brake on so I can fucking stand up. I'm just going up the hill on my fucking knees.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh. Just watch out. I'm in the bushes, so if he comes this way, he's in strife as well. Righto, come on, Philly. This is what dreams are made of, mate. Beautiful. Now I've got to try and do it. Oh. I'll just... Oh. Noob challenge number 15 completed. All I can say, I can't wait to see the camera footage. It's just you fucking falling ass over into the bush as I get up.
You started coming to me and you flew shit in my face. I couldn't see you, so I thought, I'm just getting out of the way. Funny, I reckon. You want it? If you go on slow motion, I reckon if you start like that, you'll probably see a bit of shit. You go, so we go. Yeah.
What are we doing?
Hey, when you get on my bike, you've got that's not my bike. We'll see where you can have it.
I didn't even recognise it either. I hope there's some mud when I get next to Chops because I'm going to roost that man. Is that red light on?
Yes.
Good. Just wanted to get a shot of the sad tail that is Checo. Right, are you ready? That's kind of hard. Hey Chops, we'll go get the trailer, mate. Hey, look at this beautiful recovery job. down your heels, mate.
1 is the loneliest number you'll ever do. 2 can be as bad as 1. It's the loneliest number since the number 1.